Welcome to Nifty Notions with Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today let's talk about maintaining the proper seam allowance. And it doesn't matter what seam allowance. It could be a scant quarter inch, a quarter inch, a half inch, 5/8 of an inch. It doesn't matter what the seam allowance is. It is important that we maintain that. And that way the project turns out to the size that we need. So we need to know where our seam allowance is, where the edge of the fabric runs along the foot and the bed of the machine. Some machines will have markings on the bed of the machine, and some do not. But there is something we can get regardless of what machine we're using. Old, new, our featherweights, it doesn't matter what. There is a tool, a little set of tools that will actually help us maintain that exact seam allowance. And the little notions are in these cute little bags from the Featherweight shop. And what we're looking at is a few different things. We have this little guide, and if you look, there is a slot in it. That slot will line up with these screw holes. And we have the screw that goes with the screw holes. We have a thin piece of plastic to make sure that any machine will level out our directions. And then my favorite part of the tool is the accurate seam square. If you look along the side, we have some measurements. And those measurements are holes. The holes are designed for the sewing machine needle. So let's say I'm going to be using this foot and I need to do a 5/8 of a seam allowance. I have no markings. Without the markings, it's going to be very difficult to stay straight. But I'm going to be able to use this combination to keep me straight. The first thing I want to do is put this tool onto the bed of the machine with one of those screw holes. So we have a screw and a little washer. That's just going to go right through that little slot. Slide it until you can see the hole. And in my case, it won't matter what hole I use, I'm going to be able to attach that. Now this plate is just a tiny, tiny bit higher than the bed of my machine. And that's where this comes in handy. This is going to go fit underneath, so it's going to level me off. This is ready to go, and it's going to work great with this little piece. I'm going to do a 5/8 seam allowance. So I'm going to lift up my foot, and I'm going to put my needle right in that tiny little hole. Put the foot down just to hold that flat, and then slide this next piece over and tighten. We only need to use our hands to tighten that screw. Now lift up, lift the needle out. Now I have a perfect 5/8 of a seam allowance from that needle to the edge of this tool. So my fabric is going to run right along that edge as I'm stitching. I don't have to worry about any markings. This will keep me straight. And that's going to work for many different sizes. Now, one thing we do need to be aware of is your foot cannot sit on top of this little piece. So if I am going to use an 1/8 of an inch, a scant quarter inch, or even a quarter inch, this little tool comes right to the edge, and my foot ends up sitting on top of it. The foot must always go flat. However, I can take this and put that needle down to see exactly where my fabric is going to line up. How accurate is this edge of the foot? The guide will let me know. So for this foot and my machine, This is a perfect scant 1/4 inch. So I can now identify that foot as my scant 1/4 inch foot. I can now take another foot and figure out exactly what this foot is. This foot is neither a 1/4 inch or a 3/8 of an inch. So if I'm using the edge, I will not be accurate. But with this guide, I can be accurate. Now this was made for the Featherweight, but good news is we're able to use it on almost any machine. I have tested this on a lot of my machines and it has worked for every single machine that I have. We have the beautiful black and gold vintage set. And if you like something a little bit different, you can also get it with a clear piece. Everything's the same, it's just clear. It did come with that paper on the back that I had to peel off, but now it is a beautiful clear piece. They fit inside of this bag nicely, and the bag is divided. So there's a piece of fabric that will go in between so we don't scratch our tools. And there's even a little pocket for our screw. Now that was definitely well thought of. The black set, the black and clear set, it doesn't matter what, they do work. We have that little area where we can put that needle right in those holes and line us up perfectly. And it doesn't matter what needle we are using. I'll put some links in the description so you can check them out. And as always, thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Or an accurate day, for that matter. Bye for now.